UK, and not so cheerful weather it is here. But anyway, it's good to be here, Paul. This is, I think, maybe only the second or third time I've been in on a Sunday.
It'll be springtime around about a few
minutes. All right, well, Julian has actually covered quite a few of the things that I'm interested in, because obviously I'm a trend trader as well. So I'm just going to talk about something different, actually, so as not to repeat what he's saying. Let me just grab the screen. Just to talk about a couple of currencies that I'm keeping an eye on at the moment. As Julian said, the winds of change are here. We've got quite a lot of very long-standing trends that seem to be stalling at the moment, or even possibly changing direction. Those of you that follow my Trader Talk radio segments will know that I've been trading heavily on the S&P, the NASDAQ, and the Dow Jones, so those US stock indices. And those have pretty much stopped yielding those trending opportunities for now. And as Julian said, who knows what might happen. But at the moment, I'm refocusing a little bit on currencies. There are a couple of things. So I've got Aussie dollar up here. Now, the reason I'm looking at this is because of the bearish nature of this. Now, I do not have a downtrend. I do not have, you know, a nice series of lower highs and lower lows. But what I do have is one lower high here, and I've got these lows to keep an eye out. Now, this is not a very clean, clear chart pattern, but what it tells me is if these lows down here are broken, then that could be the start of a downtrend. We've also got price having just plunged through the monthly pivot here, which is also a fairly bearish sign. Now, in terms of trading on the daily time frame, there's a little bit of patience to hold on to here. But in terms of intraday trading, I'm already looking for short opportunities on the intraday time frame. So if we look at the hourly time frame, for example, we can actually see prices now trading below that monthly pivot. We do have a downtrend, lower highs and lower lows, and I'm just waiting for price to just continue trading down a little bit further, followed by a pullback, and then I'll be looking to sell into this market potentially once this low here is retested in that monthly pivot. So it's a fairly similar story actually for me and the Kiwi dollar, in that no, I do not have a beautiful looking downtrend, but I do have the beginnings of an area on the chart that I can start to plot a map of what I will be doing when certain things happen. So at the moment I do have a lower low here. This is the daily time frame again. I do have a lower low. So on the daily time frame, all I need to look for is a pullback in a suitable area to trade short. On the intraday time frames, again, I'm already looking for potential short opportunities, just as long as this level here is broken. If this level here holds, then I may just hold off those short opportunities until I see more clarity. But again, looking at the hourly time frame here, for example, I've already got lower highs and lower lows. I just need to wait for price to trade a little bit further down, followed by a pullback, and then that could give me further opportunities. And those of you who follow me on Trader Talk Radio as well will know I do trade down to the 15-minute time frame, and potentially there could be even more opportunities short on those lower time frames at the moment. Just one other currency that I wanted to take a look at, and that is dollar Swiss. Just because it has not been trending nicely at all of late, it's very, very rangy, but because price is down fairly close to this horizontal level of support here, I am interested just in keeping an eye on it, because if that level breaks to the downside, then I will be very keen on looking for short opportunities. Dollar Swiss and the Swiss crosses, from my mind, they do tend to respect horizontal levels very, very nicely. And if a horizontal level breaks, I always want to be there, ready to take an opportunity if it arises. So not trading right now, but I'm just looking at this horizontal level. If it holds, no problem, I'll move on to something else. But if this horizontal level breaks to the downside, then I am hunting down short opportunities, certainly in the short term.